Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to clear or delete cameos in Snapchat. So if that is something you are interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So first things first, of course, you're going to need to launch Snapchat, after which you'd be required to click on your profile icon that is in the top left hand corner of the screen. Now once that is done and you're on your profile, you'd simply need to click on the settings icon that is in the top right hand corner of the screen. So once you click on the settings icon, you would then have to search for Cameo, which is right below Bitmoji, and you'd click on it. Now at this point, you'd need to simply click on Clear My Cameo Selfie, and this will automatically delete or clear your current Cameo selfie. So once you click on that, it says this will delete your current Cameo selfie. Select body type and related photo data, and you will have to create a new one to access Cameo. So pretty much that is how you would go about clearing or deleting your Cameo from Snapchat. So if you guys found this video useful or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.